Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics. Make sure Poco Launcher is the active launcher and back up your home layout. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings, go to Apps or Installed Apps. Tap Poco Launcher to view permissions and storage. This is where you prepare to disable components safely, because removing App Vault requires you to control app permissions and defaults first. Make sure to note any custom gestures or icon packs you want to keep before proceeding. Those settings can be lost. You now tackle the middle steps. Open the Poco Launcher app info and force stop it. This prevents crashes while you change settings. Next, revoke permissions like storage and contacts so App Vault features lose access. Then clear cache and, if safe, clear data to remove App Vault state and widgets. Expect some layout reset. If disable is available, use it. If not, proceed to uninstall updates to revert the launcher to a removable system version before final removal. You finish by uninstalling updates to Poco Launcher or disabling the App Vault component from system apps. That severs the feature. Once done, reboot the device to apply changes and then restore your saved layout from the backup, making sure icons and gestures return. If App Vault persists, boot into safe mode and repeat disabling or uninstall updates. This prevents third-party interference. If nothing works, factory reset is last resort, but only after exporting important data. This clears stubborn system-level components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.